Hi, my name is Carter, and today I'm doing an experiment on ice blocks. I'm going to see how long it takes for them to dissolve in cold water, hot water, fizzy water, and no water.
Put the water in, keep the fizzy water in ready. Put it up almost to the top. I'll do the hot water. Turn it up to about there. Yep, that's enough. Okay, Carter, you got your stopwatch?
Watch ready?
I just started it already.
Oh, don't start it yet. We've got to wait. Reset it. Okay, you tell us when to go.
Already.
Oh, we'll get your ice block ready to put in. Yeah?
Can I put two in?
No, you put one in there, Logan. Okay, Carter, you can put that one in there, and I'll put this one over here. Okay, time, ready. No, you do the stopwatch. You put it in here, and you do your stopwatch. You do the stopwatch. I'll put them in. Tell us when to go. No, Logan, in here. Tell us when to go, Carter.
Go. When do we go?
Go. Now, Logs, have you got the pen to write down the results?
Hey, we need to
Oh,
put yes.
go quick, put it in, put it in. I forgot that one.
That was your fault.
You probably.
Blue.
Now these are just normal ice blocks.
Yeah,
But-
but they're blue.
Got some blue food dye in.
No,
Why did that food dye in
blue
them?
ice
Yeah.
blocks.
Oh, that's funny. Now the blue. Oh no. Yeah, I know why that one's not.
Which one does it look like is going to win?
I don't think that one's gonna work. Well,
Cut off.
no, we're doing.
Do you think the cold water's melting faster? Oh, what's this one?
Oh, great.
Wait, Carter, look, this one's nearly finished. Where's your stopwatch?
I started it.
Yeah, but tell us when it's done. Look, is this melted?
This one.
Is this one finished?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, well, don't stop it. Just read the time.
104.
104. Logs, write it down. Do you want me to write it down here?
I got it.
Okay, is the stopwatch still going?
Yep.
Okay, which one's going to melt next? So 1 minute and 4 seconds. Oh, which one's next? This one, how's this one looking?
That was not.
Not melting yet?
No.
What about the fizzy?
It's on its way, on its way.
Yeah.
Now, was it 1 minute and 4 seconds?
Yep.
Okay, so that's not 1.4. That's a little bit different than one. No water? What's no water doing? It's
Not really.
taking its time.
It's still milky. Oh, that's good because the sun's coming down on it. Look, the bubbles are popping up.
Which ones do you think is going to fully melt next? Okay, use your voice.
That one. I think the fizzy water is going to melt next.
What about this one? This one's going awesome.
Which one do you think
No,
will...
I think this one. Nah, just kidding. I think that one.
Okay, and when the ice is melting, what do you know what it's going from and to?
When it melts, so ice is a solid. Then when it melts, it goes into a liquid.
When it's ice, it's a solid, and when it melts, it goes into a liquid. Is that right?
What's the gas?
I don't know. What do you think a gas is?
I know what a gas is, but I don't know what gas it is in that.
How do you think we could turn it into a? Now it's going from
Bubbles.
Well, yeah, but how could we get it to turn into a gas? Do you think?
Bubbles.
No. How else could we get it? Why does the ice go into? Why does the water go into ice? What makes it turn into ice?
Water.
No, why does it? How does it turn into ice? How does the water turn into ice?
Because it's cold.
Because you make it really cold?
Yeah.
Okay. And then when we take the ice out and put it into the hot water, warms up, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it turns into.
A liquid?
Yeah.
So what would you think would happen if we heated it up even more? If we made this really, really hot, what do you think would happen?
It'll turn bubbles.
It'll turn into bubbles, which is a gas.
Yeah.
That's right. Have any other ones melted yet?
Almost. This one's coming.
Like
Very,
third.
very, not very close.
That's the.
Last.
Yeah. No, that one's last.
You guys can do a little dance while you wait if you want.
No.
Man, good.
Or why don't you tell us a funny joke while we're waiting for the ice to melt?
No.
It's not actually 1.4 minutes, Logan. 1.4 is different than 1 minute and 4 seconds.
Okay.
So
Okay, I've already wrote it.
yeah, we'll cross it out and say 1. You can write 1. If you do a dot dot, it means like 1 minute and 4 seconds. 1 dot dot 04 is the way you could write 1 minute and 4. 1 dot, no dot dot the other way.
That is so cool.
Like this.
Dad, look at that.
So you can write 1 minute like a digital clock. 04. That's how you could write 1 minute 4 minutes.
Yeah, the hot water came first.
Otherwise, it's like a decimal and it's like half.
Yeah.
Okay, the hot water was smashed at 1 minute and 4
Yeah.
seconds. How are we going with these other ones?
That one isn't really going that good. That one's probably coming like second last or last.
Oh, what's the fizzy?
The fizzy's
not-
going good.
It's not done yet.
It's really close.
Okay, get ready to tell us the stopwatch. How much time are we up to so far?
5:10.
There's only a tiny bit left, I think.
Yeah. And let's look at this one.
This one I think is going to take a while.
Yeah. That'll take like an hour.
This one's nearly done.
Not yet.
Carter, get ready.
This one's going better. We're so close.
Logan, you say when it's fully melted. I can still see a tiny bit, can you?
Yes.
I can see quite a lot.
Quite a lot.
Well,
Not really.
yeah, it's there.
It's a little bit.
Okay.
Like teeny tiny, that big.
You say when it's finished, and Carter, you read out the time.
6 minutes. Still there. Just so. It's gone.
It's not gone yet.
Oh, seriously.
Yeah, it's gone now.
It's gone. 6:20.
Okay, you write 6:20. Can you write it upside down on this one in the same format I did it? Or not? Do you want me to do it?
Can you do it?
I can't write upside down.
It is hard.
You said you could.
Not 6.
This one's going really good. It's close. Yeah, that one isn't
Fizzy water.
going that good.
6 minutes 20.
That one isn't really going that good.
No water.
This one's going pretty good.
Do we know what the temperature is today?
Yeah.
Logan, go inside and find out what the temperature is. The outside temperature today is. Go and find out.
Dad, I'm just being careful that my stopwatch doesn't like go out.
Okay, what about the cold water? We're nearly done with the cold water or not?
Yes, it's close. Just about like a few more seconds.
Go and
maybe.
find out what the temperature is out here. You just you can say, Google, what's the temperature right now?
My face is so hot.
Oh, how's this looking?
Pretty good.
There's still a bit left though, isn't there?
Yeah. There. There. It's right there. That's the temperature, Logan. Accidentally just paused that for like.
Did you press play again?
Yeah.
So time stopwatch is going good. Logan, do we know what the current temperature is?
17 degrees Celsius.
17 degrees Celsius.
What Celsius? Oh yeah, Celsius.
So no water.
It's still there.
17 degrees. That's not the time, that's the... Do you know you can do a C to stand for Celsius?
Yes, I did know that.
Now, we don't know, we didn't actually test the temperature of the fizzy water or the cold water, but they was both out of the tap. So it was the same temperature.
It's really close. Just dissolving.
Is it all done?
No.
Still there.
I'll tell you when. Not yet. Not yet. Now.
6, 8:57. 8:57. Dad,
What is-
8:57.02.
8 minutes and 57 seconds is close enough. We can do it to the nearest second, that's fine.
Now it's all up to this little guy to finish it all for us.
So there's one left,
Oh,
this
it's
guy.
not really going that good.
I reckon he's going to take a while, isn't it? Should we push? Should we come back? Should we keep the timer running and come back?
Yeah.
Or do you know what we can do?
And then we can just fast forward the video.
We could put it in here.
The no water one has just melted and it took 29 minutes and 27 seconds. Don't you reckon that's a pretty long time?
I do reckon it's a long time, so let's write that down. How long was it?
29 minutes and 27 seconds.
29 minutes and 27 seconds. Okay, so in summary, how long did each one take? Do you want to read it back to us? What was the fastest, in summary, Carter, what was the fastest one to melt?
Hot.
And how, in what time?
1 minute and 4 seconds.
Okay, what was the next one to melt?
And the fizzy water?
In what time?
6 minutes and 20. No, wait, 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Yep, and what was the last one to melt? Oh no, the third one to melt.
Cold water with 9 minutes for 57.
8 minutes, 57.
No, 8 minutes 57
And the last one to melt,
was 29 minutes and 27 seconds.
okay. So what are you going to say about science?
Science is good and always learn
Science
about
is fun!
and,
What-
and always learn about science, because if you like science, do science, and if you don't like science, well, do it anyway.